out of 15,000 people that apply, only 3 get selected. Now I'm not asking you to be the best coder. Whether it's AI, cloud computing or cybersecurity, whatever field that you choose must be aligned with your interest and you'll be ahead of everyone else applying for that same job role. So we've got 2 main options here: self-study and certifications. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually find that skill and start working towards it? Actually, it's not that hard to make 5 figures in the tech industry. I did it and I'm going to show you how. Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil and I'm currently working as a network and cybersecurity specialist for the Singapore government while also pursuing my bachelor's online. In most of the world, you're told that it takes 12 years of school, 4 years of college and a massive amount of debt before you can even be eligible to start applying for jobs. But what if I told you that you can get started out in tech, no matter your age, no matter your educational backgrounds? You need real, actionable steps. So I'm here to make things simple for you. Okay, first, let's engage in a brief thought experiment. Imagine you have a close friend called Max.
He loves writing books and dreams of winning the Booker Prize. Instead of focusing on one genre, Max experiments with romance, science fiction, and mystery. Years pass. Max has written several mediocre stories, but none that truly resonate with readers. When submitting to publishers, Max receives rejections, and he feels lost and wishes he had honed a specific genre from the start.
To prevent the same feeling of regret like Max, you have to pick a skill and commit to mastering it. Now I'm not asking you to be the best coder or the best data analyst, but the bare minimum is that you're at least very skillful in your chosen field. Whether it's AI, cloud computing or cybersecurity, whatever field that you choose must be aligned with your interest, and by doing that, you can fill out your resume with all the achievements you have achieved in that particular skill set, and you'll be ahead of everyone else applying for that same job role. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually find that skill and start working towards it? So we've got 2 main options here: self-study and certifications. But self-study is like trying to build a piece of IKEA furniture without instructions. Possible, but why do you want to put yourself through that torture? So you're not going to be using this. Personally, I took the certification route as well, and it was game changer. While starting out, I was like a cat in a dog show, confused as how to make my big break in tech. So what happened was, after my grade 12, I managed to snag an internship at IBM. Sounds impressive, right? The team lead and the senior engineers there took one look at my skills and said, "Kid, you need to get a certification." Here's what I learned from the experience. When you're young or have no prior experience in the industry, it's very hard for the recruiters and firms to trust you. I mean, it's not really their fault. You wouldn't trust the keys of a sports car to a kid, would you? So I followed my mentor's advice and got certified. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Let's take a little journey to the land of e-learning.
Open up a browser and search up an online learning platform like udemy.com and click on sign up. After signing up, enter your details and log in. You will be greeted by this screen. Now, let's say you're interested in cloud computing. Type in cloud computing and click enter. Here, you'll find the multiple courses offered. You can filter out ratings and reviews, similar to when you shop for products online, and you can pick the one that you like the most. Personally, I'm currently doing this AWS Solutions Architect course from Stefan Marek, and it's been pretty enjoyable so far.
See, it's that simple to get started with your certification. And if you really put in the time and effort, you can be done with it in about 6 to 12 months. Remember, certifications are like Pokemon, gotta catch them all. Okay, maybe not all, but you need to get those that are really relevant to your niche. They are a golden ticket to proving that you know stuff even though you have never set foot in corporate office. Alright, so you've picked your niche and you're on your way to getting certified. Now comes the fun part, building and showcasing your skills. Okay, and I'm not talking about going on TikTok and filming yourself typing furiously on the keyboard with dramatic music playing in the background. Talking about TikTok, you must have watched videos like this.
Getting a tech job is shockingly uncomplicated.
Or this.
Get a high-paying job in tech sector.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. Every year, Google gets about 3 million job applicants. And do you know how many of them actually get selected? 0.02%. That means out of 15,000 people that apply, only 3 get selected. Don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to share with you how you can get ahead of 99% of the crowd. It's like having a cheat code to a game, except it's not illegal and won't get you kicked off the internet. First up, you need to create projects. Projects that make your recruiters go, who is that guy? If you're into web development, create a website that doesn't look like it's from the 90s. If you're into cybersecurity, create a capture the flag that makes even the most seasoned hackers break a sweat. Next, get social. No, I don't mean scrolling Instagram Reels 10 hours a day, but downloading LinkedIn. LinkedIn isn't just for humble brags and cringy motivational videos. Use it to reach out to industry pros, build connections, and share your projects. Finally, contribute to open source work. It's like volunteering, but instead of picking up trash, you're picking up valuable experience and street cred in the tech world. Remember, in tech, showing is always better than telling. Build stuff, break stuff, fix stuff. That's how you can stand out in the sea of, hey, I can code in HTML.
Quick summary. 1. Pick a niche aligning with your interests and stick to it. 2. Earn the relevant certifications to prove your abilities to employers and gain credibility. 3. Build impressive projects. Network on LinkedIn and contribute to open source projects to stand out from the competition. Here's a bonus tip. We don't control the economy and hiring, but we do control our inputs and efforts. We only lose if we don't put our best foot forward. So learn from your mistakes and don't give up, and you'll eventually find your dream job.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share it with someone who you think might be helped with this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.